Hello again. Moving on with this project. I did the x-axis, the y-axis right here, and I'm trying to do the z-axis. The z-axis, the up and down. I need to replace this manual lever that moves the whole arm up and down. But I run into a little problem. The problem is that when you go one way, it has all this play, so you cannot be printing something or cutting something and have all this when on the way back. So I'm gonna have to disassemble the whole thing and figure out a way to make it stable, or remove the play that has. But anyway, so right now I only have the use of the XY axis, and I printed. I printed the two gears. There's a big one and a small one. So the big one is gonna go here, and the motor is gonna be connected to the small one here. I made two holes. One is the center, and the other one is to hold it while it was printing, just like here. One is the center, and the other one is to prevent it from moving when it's cutting. Anyway, so the z-axis is going to be moved by this gear, and the motor is going to go here. But it's going to be a while, so I'm going to show you once it's running. I'm going to stop this for now, and when I cut, because I'm printing two and I put them together so it's stronger, so I'm going to glue them together or melt them together, whatever. So the next step is, I already printed these three, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to print the big one next, so I'll show you when it's printing. Alright, okay, I'm back again. I'm going to show you how I'm doing this with only using the two axes, the X and the Y. I'm using a CNC program called ESTL CAM. Right now it's version 9.028. I think it's beta version. It has like a trial version, and every time you use it, every time you save a file, it gives you a reminder if you want to buy the software. So for now, that's what I'm going to be using, and probably later on I'll make some tutorials, or you can just go and see their website. Is estlcam.com. I'll put the links in the video. Anyway, so the way that I've been doing this with two axes, the X and the Y, I manually move the Z-axis when I need it, but I need to be careful, make sure that the Z-axis is up when I'm moving the part, because then I'll break the tool. So right now it's off, right? So I need to take that out, and I raised the Z-axis. As you can see, it's clear. So I'm gonna be moving it with the software. Let's see if I go in the right direction, because it's getting close. Okay, so okay, right there. So I'm gonna move it out of the way so I can move that part. You can see it's spinning. So I'm gonna, using the software, move it out of the way. So now I'm gonna unscrew that part and place the new plastic so I can cut it. I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this. Let's see if I got it in the right direction. Okay, so I'm Oh, there's 2 more screws. So I'm screwing this 2 for the whole plate and 2 more screws for the part I'm gonna cut, so it won't be moving when it's all CNC'd or cut. So I'm gonna be replacing that with this part. This is some broken trash can that I cut it and flattened it. I put some with the torch. I heated it up and put it on top of the 2 heavy concrete things to make it flat. Anyway, so I'll remove this and replace it with this other one. So I'll show you the video when it's running again.